Y'all, hey. Oh, this tree is so pretty. I just felt the need to come out in nature today. I was walking around, and in the midst of me coming out in nature today, I thought long and hard about why do we have to go through the motions of dealing with people that drain us. Like, honestly, when you know you walking in your purpose, can't nothing and nobody really stop you. Honestly. Nothing and nobody can really stop you when you walking in your purpose. Okay, yeah, true. Um, Sometimes you have to go through certain things in order to get the lesson. But overall, can't nothing stop you. I think sometimes when you encounter bumps in the road, that be to refocus you, help you realign yourself. But one thing for sure, two things for certain. When you walking in your purpose, can't nobody stop you. Even when dealing with draining people, evil people, and people that just simply came to destroy.